Hey there everyone, Kevin here from Stan's Roofing and Siding. I'm out here in Homer Glen, Illinois today to show a not too old GAF timberline roof. I do know that this roof is at least newer than 2001 because GAF changed its granuline in 2001. And the reason I'm showing you this video is because we're actually replacing this roof this week. And I want to show you just another reason why we do not use GAF. So you're going to see here, try to get to the right angle, but you see some silver going through there, right? So what's going on is that these shingles are deteriorating at the most in only 17 years. So, and you just see, you got the same pattern. Hopefully you can see the glistening of the silver through those spots there, and it's consistent. It's on every single row. So lots of times we have people that say, well, you know, we like GAF, we like them over Certainteed. That's the product that we use at Stan's Roofing and Siding because contractor so-and-so said so. Well, we just go by what our experience is. And as I told people many times, I used to have GAF on my own house. I used to have GAF on my brother's house. And no, I'm not trying to be Dr. Seuss right now. Almost a rhyme coming there. But here's another little area here. But what happened was GAF reformulated their product back in about 2008 to 2011 period. You know, by the way, if you do your research, that's right in the same time frame that they had a class action lawsuit come out. And when they did that, they actually took weight out of the material. And they said they were gonna make it stronger. See, look at the beautiful silver coming through right there. And beautiful is not the right word because that means the shingles are deteriorating right there. So they had a class action lawsuit, they reformulated their product. So they just, in my respect, became just slightly untrustworthy as to the product I can give to you, my homeowners. And this is just a clear-cut reason as to why. You know, this homeowner is replacing his roof. At the most, it's 17 years old. We're gonna put a Certainteed roof on here that's gonna be warranted, non-prorated for 50 years. That's 100% against manufacturer's defects, and that's what these are, is manufacturer's defects. So once again, this is Kevin from Stan's Roofing and Siding. Please visit our website or give us a call or email for any questions you might have. That's www.stansroofingandsiding.com. And I'm just gonna leave you on this nice little hole for me right there, right next to the valley.